warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for southeastern California, central northeastern Cabell, southwestern Mason, and northwestern Putnam counties. At 8:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms produced heavy rain across the warned area earlier this evening. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other
poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Crown City,
my ass.
Ashton, Green Bottom, and Scotown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. In the neighboring neighborhoods of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Cabell, Mason, and
Y'all done speak out of the phone. Do you hear me? Get it from the chicken.
Sweetie Bob and Donna.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in West Virginia, Cabell, Mason, and Putnam, and the following counties in Ohio, Gallia, and Lawrence. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for southeastern Gallia, east central Lawrence, northeastern Cabell, southwestern Mason, and northwestern Putnam counties. At 8:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms produced heavy rain across the warned area earlier this evening. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Crown City, Gallia, Ashton, Green Bottom, and Scotown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. And only for neighborhoods of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia, Cabell, Mason, and Putnam, and the following counties in Ohio, Gallia, and Lawrence.
Question, with all the tweets he's had lately about people's legacy and emptying the dishwasher, I guess he's, as you said, gone for more the low-hanging fruit than the business-related one. So, not really, but he probably would have had an epic response had he did reply.
Has there been a conversation at all between Katie, Sean Marks, Steve Nash? Like the way that this has all gone down, and we haven't heard anything from Marks and Nash, is that they're just like floating on some